In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. If you deleted your Instagram account and more than 30 days have passed, that means your account is considered permanently deleted. To recover such an account, open any internet browser on your device. In the search bar, type instagram.com support and tap on search. Once the page loads, tap on the 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner. From there, go to Manage Your Account. Next, click on the first option. Now scroll down and under the Was This Helpful? section, tap on No, then select Other. In the box that appears, you need to briefly explain the issue you're facing. I recommend copying and pasting the same message I'm using here. I'll also include this paragraph in the video description, so you can easily copy it from there. At the end of the message, don't forget to mention your Instagram, username, and the email address that was linked to your deleted account. Once you've entered all the details, simply tap on the Submit option. After submitting, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted Instagram account should be recovered. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.